Hello students, welcome to Civil Time. Today I am going to begin construction management subject. In this lecture we will cover the chapter 1. Let's dive into second slide. It tells about project scope. There are 4 types of project scopes. Construction management has wide variety of scope. Among them there are 4 major scope of construction management which are given in this slide. Government organization, consultants, input, suppliers and valuation are the 4 major scope. Now let's talk about construction project characteristics. There are 5 major characteristics which are given in the slide. The first one is high valued, that is heavy investment. Similarly, complex project management, use of all types of resources, temporary organization and unique in nature are also the project characteristics. This slide tells about the construction project life cycle phases. There are mainly 3 phases which are shown in the diagram. The first phase is project initiation phase. Similarly, the project planning and procurement phase, execution process and control process, and termination phase. This final slide gives the relation between owner, consultant and contractor. Their owner contracts the work, the contractor executes the work, and consultant prepares all the drawings and specification related to work and gives advice to the client. This lecture covers the chapter 1 of construction management. We will cover the chapter 2 in the next video. Thank you for watching the Civil Time channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.